Can you hear me?你跟你咪講，佢今日呢個嘢就出嚟，我會返去。Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Alright, can you hear me well? Okay, great. We have two people. We have Muhammad Gaudi and we have Aaron. Let's confirm. Audio is good? Okay, great. Thank you. So we have three people so far. Okay, Muhammad Gaudi, Aaron, Corbin, William, Muhammad Alhaji. Okay, Ibrahim. Okay, let me see. Manny. Yeah. Anybody else? Okay. Right. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Ular and check, make sure that you have uploaded the video, and I can see them. And I'll let you know here if I can see your video. I'm not going to watch it. As long as I can see the video is there, I can play it, and then I'll confirm with you. If your video is not viewable, then I'll let you know immediately. Hey, your video, I cannot view it, and please upload the correct one. Okay. So I'm looking at the video. I can see Ibrahim. Okay, Ibrahim, I cannot see the video. Remember, the video is under D1 underscore demo. Okay. Van, okay, I can see a video. You all set? I'm gonna watch it later. William, you cannot see the video because you didn't upload video. You upload some random files. So please fix that now. Aaron, yeah, I can see your video. That's good. Okay, next Douglas. Okay, Douglas, I can see you have a video. However, the video that you upload is not your demonstration. You just give me a picture of your screen. You need to show me on the board it is working. So please fix that. Rawa, okay, I can see your video. You're all set. Muhammad Haji, okay, I can see your video. That's good. Muhammad Akaldi, yes, I can see your video. Abdullah Agandi, okay, I can see your video. That's good. So I gave you feedback just now. If your video is not viewable, please fix it. Okay, fix it now. So Christian, I don't see your video yet. Manny, I don't see your video. Yeah, William, you should fix your video because you didn't upload video. You upload some random files. Okay, make sure that you upload the video under the demo, not the source. Okay, Okay, Jesse, I don't see your video. Is Rawa here? Is Van here? Okay, Ben, you're here. That's great. Okay, Ben, let me check your video. Make sure that I can see it. Okay. Yes, I can see your video. That's great. Okay, so Rama, are you here? No? Alright, alright. So let's get started. Um, any questions about D2? The D2 is due next Thursday. The same format. You need to upload the source. You need to upload the video demo. Okay. Any question about D2? Abraham, are you uploading your video because I don't see it? You upload something else in the demo. Okay. Alright, so some of you are still uploading video, no problem. Let's get started. No, I think D1 is still open. What? Hold on a second, I'm wrong. I think oh, the demo is still open. The source is closed. The demo, I request more time, so the demo is still open. Okay, double check it. Okay, double check D1 demo. You need to refresh the screen. Yeah, okay, yeah. So it is fine, right? No, I think the code. Oh, the code upload was before the class. Let me see. Yeah, make sure that next time you upload before the class starts. So yeah, I just open up a backup. I just create a backup so you can do it. Yeah, yeah, please make sure that next time you upload before the class starts. Anyway, to those who are okay, well, for the next class you can still upload. I think it is still open. I'm pretty sure it is still open. You still have time to upload your code and then your video because it's not closed. I'm pretty sure it's not closed. Yeah, it is still open. All right. So for those who are ready, let's create empty project in Quarters Prime and let's start a new topic today. Okay, so today we're going to go over one topic and then that's it for today. Okay, one topic. All right. So I usually for demo and lecture I always use Design Zero as my project name. Okay, so I'm going to open up my Design Zero and I'm going to make changes to Design Zero. And at the same time, I'm opening up the. No, what do you mean? It's not letting you submit. It's still open. Everybody else can do it. If you look at it, D1 demo and D1 source, they are both open. You need to refresh your screen to see it. So today is going to be the 26th. Okay, 26. All right, can everybody submit their work, if you're doing that now. But those who have already submitted, you're all set. But some of you are submitting your work right now. So as far as I can see on my side, everything is still live. Okay? And many, I can see you upload a video. That's good. Uh, Question, I can see you upload a video. That's good. Alright. So anybody else still uploading video? Anyway, so you open up your design zero, and this is how it looks. So what we're gonna do is we're going to use and start a new topic. So today we will first introduce the concept of wires in VHDL. Now, if you remember, when you create circuits using schematic, you can wire them. You can wire the gates. Okay. So how do you define wire in VHDL? A wire in VHDL is a signal. A signal. So at the moment you see signal, that means it's a wire. So a piece of wire means readable is writable because it's a connection. So you can force a value on the wire when you can read the value of the wire. Okay. So in VHDL we don't call them wire, we call them signal. And we give a name. Okay. Wire or for my bus. Just a name. Okay. So this is the idea of wire. So today we're going to design circuits. Okay, is it clear now? I think it's the internet connection. YouTube is saying that the voice is slow. I don't know what it means, but I guess it's not clear. Is it clear now? I probably yes. I am definitely closer to the microphone. Okay. All right. So better now. Voice is good. All right. So today we're going to design a circuit which there's a clock. Okay. So what we're going to do is we are going to still use key 0, but we're not going to use key 1. We will change it to the clock. Okay, so if you go to a menu, there are 3 clocks on this board. We'll always use this one as default, which is the max 10 clock 1 under 50. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. This is our clock. And we're going to design a 3-bit counter. 3-bit counter. Okay, so how do I do that? We need to introduce the concept of a bus. And we know that output usually it's single bit. However, sometimes you need to have a bus output, meaning that a collection of bits. So in this case, I'm just going Q. Now, how do you specify bus in HDL? Very simple. It is called STD logic vector. Okay, STD logic vector. STD logic, it's 1 bit. STD logic vector is multiple bits. How do you specify how many bits you have? You use parentheses 2 down to 0. Okay? So this means Q has 0, 1, 2, 3 bits. If you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 3 down to 0, that means it is 4 bits. Okay? So this one is 3 bits. So this design has a key 0, max 10, clock 150, and then the output. Okay? So this is the Q. It's a 3 bit. My wire, I'm also going to make it 3 bit because I'm going to use the wire to connect your logic to the counter output. Okay? But because it is a wire, there's really no concept of in and out. It's a connection. Okay? So we are going to use what we learned from previous class process. Begin and end. Okay? Process begin and end. And we need to tell what will cause this process to run. So remember, what you put in here, what you need to put in here is going to be the inputs or signal that will trigger this process to run. Okay, right. Okay, is our live chat still active? Okay, let's continue. No, I didn't do everything. I kept the library, the entity name, the architecture name. I'm just changing the ports. So here are the new ports. This is what we add, and this is what we add. Okay, all right. So let's continue. We will run this process if key 0 changes value. Okay, and I'm going to run the process if there's something happen to the clock. Okay, Jesse, I don't see your video yet. I guess you're still uploading. All right. Okay, so now you look at this. I have process, input key 0, and the clock. Okay, now why we're using input key 0? We are going to use it as a synchronous reset. Okay, so let's define the logic. If key 0 is equal to 0, that means I press my push button or key 0, then I'm going to force my bus zeros. Okay, pay attention here. Look at this zero. This means one bit. If you want to specify 3 bits like this, it has to be double quote. Do you see the color difference? This is orange, this is purple. So purple means multiple bits, whether it's 2 or 3 or 4, double quote. Single quote, 1 bit only. Okay, so this means if I press my key equal to 0, I make my bus equal to 0. Okay, that means this is reset. Else, if I will learn that from last class, then this is a keyword in VHDL, rising edge of something. So what are we looking at? Rising edge of the clock. So that means if anything happened to this clock, if it's a rising edge, I'm going to do something. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to increment my bus. In C programming, we know increment means x equals x plus y. Okay. Same thing here. My bus is equal to my bus plus 1. Now 1 is 1 bit, so it is like that. Okay. And then this is it. And if, okay, so let's go over this code again. If key 0 is pressed, is equal to 0, then this will be equal to 0, 0, 0. This means I'm going to increment by 1. Okay. Now if you want to type this single quote, one single quote, it is equivalent to typing this. They are exactly the same. Okay. Now some people prefer this way because it tells you how many bits you have. You have 3 bits, 0, 0, 1. 2 bits, 0, 1. 1 bit, 1. Okay. So this is more readable because somebody may say, well, what's the number of bits you have here? Okay. Right. So now I have a counter, which is a signal. I'm going to connect this counter to my output Q. To do that, very easy. Q is equal to my bus. That means I'm making a connection of bus to Q. Understand? So let's do a file, save project. Okay. So now let's scroll up to the beginning of the code. Make sure that you got everything. The comment doesn't matter. So let's see. So double check line number 7 to line number 20. And let me know if you're done. Yeah, I'll scroll down in a moment. Are we done with line number 7 to 20? Okay, scroll down. Line number 13 to 31. Okay, scroll down. Line number 23 to 40. Okay, all right. So let's save your project file, save project, and then processing, start, analysis, and elaboration. Okay, okay, Jesse, I can see your upload video. Okay, that's good. I'll review it later. Okay, continue. My bus is just a wire that I'm used to create my logic. Am I missing a semicolon somewhere? Hold on a second. There must be a semicolon missing. Ah, end process. Okay, here, end process. You're gonna have a begin, you have an end. So file, save, processing, start, analysis, and elaboration. Okay, perfect. No error to warning. Okay, all right. So next, we're gonna assign the paints. Assignment, and this is a reuse of the previous project. That's why you can see this thing, doesn't exist. Okay. So I'm going to delete key one. Oh, if you want, you can give me the code. I can look at your machine remotely using the Chrome remote support, or you can look at my sample, make sure that it is correct. Okay. And LED2 goes to LED Q2, LED1 goes to Q1, LED0 goes to Q0, and they are all 3.3 TT LVTTL. And from the menu, this is pin P11. P11. Okay. That's good. These three, you can leave them there or you can delete them. It's up to you. So let's delete them. Delete. So now I'm only seeing the pins for this project. Okay, and let's close it. And let's go back to the source code. Now, if you have errors, you need to make sure that your code looks exactly like this. Semicolon. You cannot have extra semicolon. You cannot have missing semicolon. Okay. So check 7 through 10, then 13 through 20. Make sure that they look exactly the same. Okay, yeah, I can go back to the pins. If you have error, please send me the password so I can get into a machine and then look at it by email, please. Okay, so who needs my remote support? So Christian, are you all set? Are we all done with this pin planner? So Muhammad Haji, you need to give me the password to get into the machine and then look at it because I don't know what you type. Okay? If you didn't type this in, of course you have errors. Okay, if you finish the pin planner, you can compile the project. Start compilation. Some of you got an error saying can't fit design in device. No problem. Look at your IO standard. Look at here, please. So if you have fixed this, you can recompile your project, and then you should fix the problem. Because the problem that you have, they're not from the code, it's from the settings. It has to be 3.3 volts LVTTL. Okay. Well, I need to get into Christian's machine to look at what he did. So please, Christian, send me the passcode. I can give you the support through remote desktop from Chrome. So Muhammad Haji, when did you send the passcode? Okay, yeah, I see. Oh, I see Christian. I didn't see yours, Muhammad Haji. If you sent it to me previously, that's no longer valid because it's too old. So right now I'm going to Christian's machine and look at his settings. Muhammad Haji, you're next. Okay, Christian, you need to let me control your mouse. Right now I cannot click on anything. I can move my mouse. That's it. So can you show me your paint planner? Yeah, one that's not 3.30 TTL. Yeah, fix the problem, recompile your project. go to the source code. Let me see the source code. Make sure that you type in everything correctly. You scroll down. Scroll down more. Okay, yeah, you compile everything is fine. So I'm going to exit, log out. So now it's Muhammad Al-Hadi. Okay. Oh, what is this? Skill, skill. Okay. Uh, if your code is fine, you can save your project. And next class, we're going to look at how to simulate a circuit with a clock. Okay. Because I don't think we have enough time to finish it today. All right. So, Muhammad Haji, I think you're fine. Do you have any red? Hold on a second. Yeah, there's no space here. Okay. If you are fine with your projects, save your projects, then we're going to continue on Tuesday. Okay. And you can exit the live. Okay. Any questions before we terminate the live? So right now, I think only Muhammad Haji have problem. And I'm hoping you should be all set in a couple of minutes. Then I'm going to terminate the live. So make sure to save your work. We'll continue on Tuesday. Okay? And how many syntax error you have? What did you type in? Yeah. This is STD logic. Okay, I think Haji, you're all set. You can assign the pins now. Okay, all right. You need to assign the pins. So I'm gonna exit. All right. So this video will be available later today or tomorrow, and then you can double check. Make sure that your compile is okay. Then we can simulate on Tuesday. All right. I'm gonna terminate the live in 1 minute. For next class, make sure that you start uploading your stuff. All right. So no more questions. I'm gonna terminate the live now. All right. Any more questions before I terminate it? Any questions? No. Okay. Let's see you on Tuesday.